What's up, friends? I hope y'all can hear me. Let's make a video. So, I decided to clean out the garage. And these tires just... Some of these tires can't be used again, so I use them for my experimentation. Today, my Otsu tire, it served me well, but running through the streets, I encountered some foreign objects that left me with only one Otsu tire. This one has sat up and sat up, and there's a family of spiders that moved in. He's not paying rent. So it's time for an eviction. We're gonna use some Armor All on this old tire and see what happens. A lot of times when you go to these dealerships, you don't know how long that car has been sitting there, and that tire is probably not brand new, more than likely. It could be a couple of months old, it could be a couple of years old. Matter of fact, let's take a quick look, see. So, the ID number on this is 3519, which means, translated, means 35th week of the year, and this was produced in 2019. Now, this tire is browning on it, cobwebs, and not some of the dirt off, but I want to see how strong of a product this Armor All is. I've got another tire in there that I want to get rid of, so I'm gonna try different products just to see, you know, over time. People don't change their tires on a regular schedule. They change them when they lose grip, however long that takes. But over time, just how good would your favorite product actually clean your tires? So we're gonna start off this one with Armor All, and then I don't know, we'll probably do another video with a different product. Let me go get my stuff and we can get to spraying. Now, I do know from previous experience that products like Armor All, you have to pre-wet the tire. Shake it up a little bit. Shake well before use. Let's see. Yeah, it seemed to be catching the dirt. It took a few seconds. I can see the edge of it right there. So probably about 3 or 4 seconds. I sprayed it twice. And on the second pass, you can start seeing all the dirt come out. Let that sit a little bit. Yeah, even the cobwebs are starting to come off. Dangling in there. Alright. Now, some people would probably agitate it with a brush, some might not. I prefer agitation with mine. So I get my brush. Alright. Agitation complete. I'm glad I got gloves on. This thing is nasty. I didn't want to bring out my big old water cannon, so I bought a small one from Menards. A little handheld doohickey. See if it works. Should. Okay. A little too much of a wide spray. Yep. That looks good for an old tire. Yes, it does. Not bad at all. So, what was the purpose of this experiment? We took an old, dirty tire that's been sitting up for at least a year, put it out to the garage, and cleaned it up. Okay, nothing special about that. But using this product on such an old tire, it worked out. So I say that to say that just because you have old tires, if you just use a little elbow grease, not much, use your favorite product, whether it be Adams, Chemical Guys, or even this Armor All, it should still come clean. You know, I see people with these nice looking old cars and the tires look trash, but they made sure they went and got the car washed. Like, you got the car washed, but you didn't take care of the tires? Like, really? Come on. So, again, old tire, regular cleaning product, wheel and tire cleaner or tire cleaner specifically, whichever one, floats your boat, and you shouldn't have a problem. There's no excuse. Be kind to your car. Be kind to your tires. And with that, I'm going to get ready for the next video. See y'all on the road.